To connect Stripe to Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Payment Providers section. Click on Add Payment Provider and search for Stripe. Click on the Stripe Payment Gateway and then click on Add Payment Provider to proceed. You will be redirected to the Stripe website where you need to log into your existing Stripe account or create a new one if you do not have one already. Once logged in, you will be asked to authorize Shopify to connect with your Stripe account. Click on the Authorize Access to Stripe button to grant the necessary permissions. You will then be redirected back to your Shopify account where you will need to configure the payment settings for Stripe. In the Payment Providers section, click on the Edit button next to Stripe to configure the payment settings. Here you can choose the credit cards you want to accept and set the payment capture settings. Make sure to test your Stripe payment gateway by placing a test order to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues during the setup process, you can refer to the Stripe documentation or contact Shopify support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Stripe with your Shopify store and start accepting payments from your customers. It is essential to ensure that your Stripe account is properly set up and connected to your Shopify store to avoid any issues with payment processing. Regularly review your payment settings and update them as necessary to ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. This integration will enable you to manage your payments efficiently and focus on growing your business.